Welcome to Health and Wellness. Hey, if you're like me, you want to feel strong, energized, and ready to take on anything. So let's talk about one of my favorite hacks for immune health herbal teas. These 6 powerhouse brews can give your body that extra edge, and honestly, they're as tasty as they are good for you. So grab your mug and let's sip our way to better wellness. First up, ginger tea. This spicy, warming tea is more than just a kick for your taste buds. It's anti-inflammatory, helps with digestion, and can even chase away nausea. I love having ginger tea in the morning. It's like a reset for your gut and immune system. If you're looking for daily defense, ginger is your go-to. Next, turmeric tea. This golden brew is loaded with curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. If you're fighting chronic inflammation or want to keep your joints feeling young, turmeric tea is your friend. Plus, it helps your body recover from stress, both mental and physical. Now let's talk about chamomile tea. Maybe you know it as the bedtime tea, but chamomile does way more than help you catch Z's. It soothes your stomach, lowers anxiety, and sets you up for real quality sleep. If you ever feel frazzled or can't unwind, chamomile is your gentle ticket to relaxation and immune support. Moving on, Echinacea tea. This one's a hero during cold and flu season. Echinacea has been shown to help boost the immune system and can even shorten colds if you start sipping it early. I always keep some Echinacea tea on hand for those days when I need a little extra backup. Number 5, peppermint tea. Super refreshing, right? But it also soothes digestive issues, helps with headaches, and actually sharpens your focus. After a big meal, peppermint tea is magic. It's both calming and energizing at the same time. Last but definitely not least, green tea. Okay, it's technically not an herbal tea, but I can't leave it out. Green tea is packed with antioxidants like EGCG, supports metabolism, and gives your brain and heart a boost. It's one of the most researched teas out there for long-term health. So, if you want to boost your immune system and feel your best, these 6 teas are a no-brainer. Try them out, mix things up, and find your favorites. Just remember, real wellness is all about the small daily habits. Brew yourself a cup, take a moment for you, and sip your way to better health. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and let me know your favorite tea in the comments. Stay healthy, and happy sipping.